That's not bothering him, is it?
When he's out, he's out.
I think it was probably talking a little bit.
Yeah, like if he's dozing, if he's just falling asleep, then yeah, he would wake up. But if he's asleep,
Okay. That's good.
yeah. Some of those seem like planets where it's like you get the like
Saturn with the rings.
Yeah.
Oh. Building flower. Whoa.
I like the one when they change color.
Tyler's on Facebook.
not when he's asleep. If he were trying to fall asleep, he would be. But
Wow.
and so she told us where to go, and we saw the fireworks. It was awesome.
That was like
That's
the
cool.
birds. We were up in our Monroe in like October, and they have these birds that travel from the south, swifts, and they come around this chimney and they circle and circle and circle and circle, and then all of a sudden they all go into the chimney. And it's crazy. Ooh, that's
Whoa.
migrate, and they have certain places that they stop every year.
every year they stop at the same place.
North, and then they come to Monroe, then they go south.
I can see them thinking it's a bad idea to modify fireworks. Though I couldn't imagine that being a very well enforced law.
That's cool.
Whoa! That was
You see them? They're swiveling back and forth.
yeah.
They're going back and forth.
I like the ones that break up into lots of little ones.
And like
Yeah.
rain.
Yeah, I like that one.
I like this like swiveling thing.
I saw one that was cool that it was it shot up and then it had like a parachute in it.
So cool.
So there was
Having it go all
something
across the
spark.
garden.